Your whole life you've been punching at the wall but not through it, and that is why you feel weaker and less effective than you know you could be deep down. Whether it's working out or meditating or starting a creative project, there comes a point of friction where you either break through that friction and get to your second wind and into a flow state, or you give up and fold and say, I guess I just don't have it today. I'll try to start tomorrow. And the reason you commit is so that when you get to that point of friction, you can burst through the wall. You have the focus, will, energy, and determination to get through that friction and into the flow. If you don't burn the boats, if you don't decide that it's non-negotiable, you will get to that point of friction and start to negotiate with yourself, because internally your system knows you haven't committed. So now you're in a negotiation. Now you're burning all your energy on that, and guess what? There's no energy left over to break through the wall. So simplify things, commit to things. And if you don't trust yourself to be committed, start with something small that you know you can commit to, that you know you can deliver on, and build up that self-trust by delivering on that a little bit at a time. Go punch through the wall.